So welcome back to the session again. So it is 2 hours. I am going to present. Which yeah. Hopefully my screen is visible.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So today's topic is to how to install our custom properties and content packages, and there are some of the things. So our main motto is towards how to import our content packages, custom properties, and see there is something called content extension. I have three things. Okay, one is
Okay.
content package. I'll kept aside type. Okay, so okay, by side it's quite easy. One is content extension, one is content package, and third is custom properties. So if you see content extension, so as I said, content extension is a combination of, what is the combination of? Combination
And
of rules,
yes.
custom properties, and reports. If at all dashboard is there, dashboards. Okay, and content package is more of reports and rules only, and custom properties exclusively custom properties. Okay, now we'll going to install all these three, and we'll see what are the differences that we can see here. Okay, so I'll go back to this Curador, and I'll log into the system. See, as we have seen yesterday, so there are so many application we have installed, almost three applications. One is deployment intelligence, log source management, operations. Okay, so today we are going to upload our, first and foremost I'll start with custom properties, so that it is quite easy for us to see what are the custom properties which are going to upload. So where it is in today's class folder. Open. So I'm going to upload my Linux custom properties. So at the same point I'm adding, it's added, and we'll see where it is. Yeah, here it is, IBM Curador custom properties for Linux. See, if you start installing the things, it will show the number of, see there are total 30 custom extraction properties. How many? There are total 30. You can come to know these are the all these, some of the things. There are some regular expression, 101 regular expressions are there. There are so much of things are available. There are total 30 properties. Okay, replace now, install. We'll see what are those things where we can see these custom properties. Okay, so it will take some 1 to 2 minutes to install. Yes, this extension has been installed successfully. Okay, now press OK. It is installed, Curador custom properties for Linux. But where, how can we see that these things were installed? If you go and see in custom property, custom event properties, see this is something called custom event properties. Just go there and check by modification date, today's date. See, today is November 3rd. See, there are so many regular expressions for Linux OS. See, getting, today I have created, that's the reason it is showing November 3rd and so time. How many I said? There are total
30.
101. See, in each page it used to be some 30, I think, 90 plus till, see, sorry, here it is there, I think, yeah, till here it is there, 40, see, 40, one page 40, one of 40, 140, and second 40, this total Linux OS. See, there is total 101 regular expression I said. See, these are the another 40, and the third another 21. See, if you count this, there are total 21. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. Maybe I was in, if you start counting 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21. Okay, 21 plus 40, 61 plus 40, 101. Have we have imported 101 regular expressions. Now got it? This is how we can import and check whether the entire import has been done or not through here only. So how can you check? Just after installation, go to custom properties and do modification event. Modification done. It is today's modification. There's a today's activity. So by here you can come to know. See, type is Linux OS, and you can understood that this is the, and even sometime it is giving some name, event name also it is giving. Against this name it was created, against name this was created, against this name was created. You can come to know like this. Okay. So this is how you can install your Linux custom property. At the same point of time, I wanna upload at the same point I wanna upload some Windows custom properties, Windows custom property. There are some Windows custom properties are there. I'll show you. I'll take some Mitra and these two also, so that it will be very helpful for us. I'll paste here. There are some Microsoft Exchange custom properties, so it is very helpful. We can see what are those things. So now what I will do, I will upload custom properties of Microsoft Exchange custom properties. From where we need to go to extension again, upload, browse, and go to Microsoft. See, Microsoft Exchange custom properties. So just press open and add it. See, it is here. Now I am installing. Just press install. So once you just go and download once in a at least once in a while, so that you start downloading all 300, 350 some data is there, you can download it. See here, there are regular expression is 8 and custom properties also 8. Okay. Now we have to check what are those 8 custom properties. They have provided these things: number of recipient, recipient host, originating host, message size, message ID, recipient user, originating user, and subject. Okay. We will see whether these things are there or not. Okay. Now it is added. Now go back and see in custom event properties. Same. Do press on modification. See, there are total 8 Microsoft Exchange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? All we have uploaded to our data. This is how you can from here to here. See. Okay. From here to here, we got it. How to do the custom properties, download and upload into the Curador. Okay. Now the question comes, what is now packages? See, there is some packages there. We are going to upload. So what package is? Combination of more of rules and reports. I said combination of content package. See, this is more of rules and reports. I am uploading. See, press add. So it is on the top, content extension for NIST. Now you can see more details. Here it is giving some reports 12, custom rules 12, saved searches 11. There are some groups, they created some groups. These are the groups they created in, and there are some group links. Okay. And there is no, if you see, there is no custom properties, only searches, rules, reports. Okay. Install. It is more of, I said more of see here it is installing. It will take some time. Yeah, it is installed. Now we'll see, there are total 9 groups they created. Now we have to go and check where do we check these 9 groups, and there are so many things are there. First and foremost, we start from here. There are total 11 searches. Okay, we will see whether these searches are available or not. First and foremost, we will check at least one or two. One, I am checking for privilege escalation. So where do I check? I have to go to log activity. Search will be available here only, and go to searches, edit search, and over here ISOC, here it is there. Yes or no? The same one, no?
Yeah.
If you see here, 11.4 malicious attack, and here it is there. Got it? And if you see, otherwise if you go to NIST, there is a NIST group also created, might be. It was not created here. It's okay. Then there is something called privilege escalation. See, this one also there. If you see, privilege escalations, privileged activities, both are available over there. See, privilege activities, privilege escalations. So like that, whatever you have done, it will be available here. And now I want to go towards custom rules. There is something called system 1570, and there is some name is not properly given. It's okay. System 1570, whether it is there or not. Where do we can check custom rules? Go to offense, you go to rules, do the same thing, click on modification date, your creation date. It is not showing. Are you there?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, okay. I think it was not uploaded, not updated fully. We'll see. Rules. Sometimes it may take some time. It is not updated here, no worries. We'll see towards report. Why? Because these are the it will take some population time, that's the reason. And the creation date from here, if you see. Okay, what is there as any modification date or something available? So I need to go towards NIST, because I have uploaded NIST only. Yes, not this. What was the group name? Exact group name we need to check. Admin, I'll go extension management. This was there. Go to more details. Rules, save such a reports. See, actually the names are quite different, so we are unable to understand the name. Actually there is a name for this, we are not able to understand. However, we can come to know by groups. At least RMF 8053 is there.